Good morning, students. We are going to conclude what we started on carbon and its compound. If you remember, before we go for the break, we talk about the carbon allotrope of carbon, which are diamond and graphite. We define allotropy. We differentiate between. We talk about the properties of graphite, property of diamond. Okay. So for the purpose of today, we are going to look at the carbon as an element. We are going to look at general properties of carbon. Also, we are going to look at the destructive distillation of coal and the products, the uses of the product from destructive distillation of coal, and also the destructive distillation of wood and the uses of the products as I further explain. Look at destructive distillation of coal, what it means, and the uses of the product from the destructive distillation of coal. This is a subtopic under carbon and its compound that we started last week. So what are the general properties of carbon? Number one, all allotropes of carbon except diamond are black in color. So, and carbon are colorless and tasteless. They don't have color, they don't have taste. They have high melting point. They are insoluble in common solvent like water. So carbon is unreactive, and most carbon compounds are stable. So carbon are unreactive. Even if they undergo reaction, that you subject them to heat before the reaction can proceed. So all allotropes of carbon have similar chemical properties. So these are general properties of carbon. So let us look at the reaction of carbon, combustion of carbon. Carbon reacts with oxygen to form two gases. If excess oxygen is used, it will form carbon dioxide. If limited oxygen is used, it will form carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide is more poisonous than carbon dioxide. Also, you have combination reaction of carbon. Carbon combines with some element directly, like sulfur, hydrogen. When it combines with sulfur, it forms carbon sulfide. And when it combines with hydrogen, it forms methane. Okay, is a one organic compound. So let us quickly look at destructive distillation of coal. Now, destructive distillation of coal is the process of heating coal to a very high temperature, the presence of air, so that all the volatile components is still over. Okay, and when coal is subjected to high temperature, these are the products that is going to produce coke, ammonium liquor, coal tar, and coal gas. So, and from there we look at the uses of these components. Coal tar contain many different substances such as benzene, toluene, phenol, and they are used in the synthesis of important commercial products like dyes, paint, insecticide, drugs, plastic, and explosives. Ammonium liquor is a solution of ammonia in water. It is converted into ammonium disulfide 6 that is used as a catalyzer. The next one is coal gas. Coal gas is a volatile component. This is an important gaseous fuel because it's cleaner and more efficient than coal. Coke, it is used as a fuel for other purposes. And lastly, we look at destructive distillation of wood. Okay, and wood is a complex substance like coal, except that the percentage composition of elements present in it differs. So what are the products that are being formed when wood is being subjected to high temperature? We have wood charcoal, pyroligneous acid, wood tar, and wood gas. Pyroligneous acid is a liquid fraction which contains mainly ethanoic acid, propanol, methanol, and some other compounds which are very important in organic chemistry. Thank you.